SimTics uses a standard called LTI to integrate with Canvas. This offers a way for your students to access SimTics using single sign-on and automatically transfer grades from SimTics to your LMS gradebook. This video will help you set that up. The process is mostly a one-time setup, so follow along with us as we take you through the steps to get it running successfully. Firstly, we need to set up the SimTics app within Canvas. If you have admin access, you can set this up by clicking Admin on the sidebar, your account name, and then heading down to the settings at the bottom. You will see an Apps tab across the top, which you should click, and then click the View App Configurations button. If you do not have admin access, you can still do this by going into any one of your courses, then Settings, and from there you should see an Apps tab, and then the same View App Configurations button. Either method will bring you to the screen shown. To add the SimTics app, hit the blue App button. And from here, we will have a few forms to fill out. Let's run through them quickly. So for configuration type, set this to manual. For name, call this SimTics, or whatever else you'd like. Your consumer key and shared secret key will have been given to you separately. These are unique to just you. I'm just using a demo one for this example. If you have not received these, please contact support@simtics.com. The launch URL, shown here, can be found in the integration guide PDF that has been sent to you, or in the description of this video. The domain should be set to lti.simtics.com. This is also found in the PDF and in the description below for you to copy and paste to. Set the privacy to public, as this allows SimTics to be able to create accounts within our system for each of your users automatically. The custom fields and the description can be left blank for now, and then hit the Submit button. It should now appear in the list on your screen. With app setup done, it is now time to set up a course using what we just set up and verify that the integration is working. Hit the Courses button on the left and go into a new or existing course. Under Assignments, hit the gray plus icon to add to assignments. In the pop-up, select External Tool from the drop-down. For the name, we suggest that you name it the course code you'd like this to be. This will have been given to you separately too. For this video example, we're going to test with an arbitrary course code of BLSA2. The points are a percentage out of 100 you require your user to get while taking the SimTics module. You can choose this value. Before we save and publish, hit the More Options button for one more thing we must do. Under the Submission Type section, ensure that External Tool is selected, and go ahead and find the SimTics app we created earlier in this video. After selecting this SimTics app, the URL we put in earlier should appear here, and then hit Select. This is where we can input custom parameters to change the behavior of the SimTics platform for each of our assignment links. I will cover this in more detail at the end of the video, but for now, to keep things simple, all we need to input here is the code of the module we wish to access. Again, in this example, it's BLSA2. Write out the following parameter after the new. So we put a question mark and then custom underscore course underscore code equals BLSA2, and then replace that BLSA2 with any of your other course codes you wish to use for this assignment. Lastly, make sure you check the Load This Tool in a New Tab checkbox, as some errors could occur to some users when loaded within the same window. And that's all. Now we just need to save and verify. Scroll down and save and publish. On the following screen, hit the button to load BLSA2, or whatever your course code is, in a new window. The SimTics module should now appear. Hopefully it's all working correctly. If you encountered an error, go through the video again and check that the values entered in each form are correct. Once integration is complete, students and instructors will have access to SimTics through the assignments or links that you have set up in your LMS. Your LMS should now be used as their sole method of access to SimTics. For more information, please read the integration guide PDF that was sent to you. To wrap up this video, we'll cover some of the other custom parameters you can use to change the learner's experience when accessing each assignment. We'll cover a few important ones here, but for the rest, please see the integration guide PDF and just switch out the parameters as you like. Back in the assignment's More Options screen, after the course code text, you can add an ampersand sign and add more parameters. For example, the parameter custom_test mode equals simulation. So by default, SimTics allows access to the entire module, including text, video, anatomy, simulation, and quiz. With this parameter added, this assignment will only display the test mode simulation. Additionally, many of the test mode simulations have multiple scenarios, and you can actually specify which scenario you'd like your learner to take by adding a ampersand custom_scenario equals and the specific number of the scenario. For example, scenario 2, so you just put 2. Custom_send_max score equals true. So by default, SimTics posts back the best score from the student's current session. If this value is set to true, the system will send back the student's best score of all time for this module. Thanks for following along. If you have any further questions, let us know at support@simtics.com.